What's going on YouTube? Joshua here at saltyscales.com. So have you ever casted your bait caster and heard this god-awful screeching noise? Well, typically that's going to come about on a centrifugal braking system on your bait caster. Now there's a simple solution, and let me tell you, this happens to all bait casters at some point. But typically it's because dirt or debris gets in the area in which the brakes deploy, creating that noise. Now, I have it happen with my Piscifun reel. I've had it happen with my $400 13 fishing reels. So let me jump in. I'm going to show you how to remedy the problem. It's super simple. All right, so with the Piscifun here, and this is the Phantom. This is a nice little reel, guys, for the money. I'll tell you what, I've been using it fairly regularly. I really like it. But what you do is you decompress this little button here. Once you press that button, you go ahead and turn counterclockwise, and this allows it to lift off the plate. What's cool about this reel is it has two different systems here. It has a magnetic braking system, but it also has the centrifugal system, which you see the little plastic feet inside of there. See those little plastic feet right here? Those feet are what jump up and they hit this little ring right here, and that's ultimately what controls that speed and helps prevent the spool from turning too fast and capturing or creating bird's nest. Now, it's also what's going to make and create that crazy noise that you hear, that screeching noise that you might get over time. So let me show you how to fix that. A couple things you're going to need: some rubbing alcohol, a couple Q-tips, and I like to use some real butter fishing oil. Alright, so here we go. I got the side plate off. What I'm going to do is take my rubbing alcohol and Q-tip, and I'm going to rub this inside ring here. Then use the other side and dry it. Now you're going to notice, look at that dirt on that Q-tip. That is what's causing our problem here. So now, let me show you what I do to go ahead and top it off. I take a little bit of my real butter, put it on a clean Q-tip. Now with my clean Q-tip and real butter, I just lightly coat the inside of this ring here. It's as simple as that, guys. And while you're in here, you may want to go ahead and put a little bit of real butter on your bearings and things. Casting that baby clear across the lake, guys. And it is quiet as a mouse. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed today's How To Thursday tip. If you did, please give a thumbs up. Comment below. Make sure you subscribe and turn on them bell notifications. Hey, do you need some help with something? Comment below. Let me know. Till next time, I'll see you on the water.